Hello, my name is Broderick here at Senior Allies, and today we're going to kind of cover the specifics of a Medicare Advantage plans. A Medicare Advantage plan is an alternative kind of to original Medicare through a private insurance company approved by the government. So it's more an all-in-one insurance, and we'll get further into that here a little bit later. Main details are, people don't understand, you still have to pay your premiums for Part B, and Part A is obviously free. And then involved in that, some extra benefits as well. But what we'll start with today is just different plan types. So we have an HMO compared to a PPO, a chronic illness plan, a Medicare Advantage plan, which does not include prescription drug plans, and it will as well include a Medicare Advantage plan with prescription drug plans. So an HMO is more of a smaller network plan where you have to get referrals to see specialists, as where a PPO kind of gives you freedom to see anybody without getting referrals. All the plans will have a network restriction, so if you're included in a Medicare Advantage plan, you always want to confirm with a doctor or a hospital that they are in the network of your plan. The main thing on Medicare Advantage plans would be you're going to have a low premium, but as you go, you're going to pay copay. So it's kind of just a pay-as-you-go. People who would rather not have a high premium, have a low premium, and have a copay, co-insurance when they go. So with your copays, you will also have what's called a max out-of-pocket, and that ranges very well depending on HMO, PPO, the service area that you're in. The main thing that I see clients enjoying about the Medicare Advantage plans will be the extra benefits. So when I mention it's all in one, they will include dental, vision, hearing. Some will have over-the-counter. Some will also include monthly benefit cards. And not every plan includes that, but majority of the plans also include what's called Silver Sneakers or Renewal One, which is a gym membership. Again, that kind of has a network tied to that as well. So you do not have the freedom to any gym. You would want to consider or confirm with your gym that you are in network. And then the enrollment periods, which is kind of trickier compared to Medicare supplements, prescription drug plans. The Medicare Advantage plans have a initial enrollment period, which is you're turning 65 or you're just joining Medicare with Part B. You would also have your annual enrollment period, October 15th through December 7th. You can make changes. And then we will have a special period. It's actually called the annual enrollment period, which is January 1 through March 31st, where if you signed up for a plan at the end of the year during October 15th through December 7th, where you will have the ability to either find a different plan, go back to your old plan. But after March 31st, you're kind of stuck into that plan for the rest of the year. Some areas will come along with special disaster periods where you may have the freedom to change. It just depends on if there is a disaster in that area or if you missed a special election period, things along that line. The most important thing for me, and to make sure that everybody understands, is definitely the network. We all get caught up in the dental or the vision. Those are great benefits, but a network is very, very critical to consider when reviewing for a Medicare Advantage plan. So at the end of the day, it's all in one, tied to extra benefits that original Medicare doesn't offer. And we would love to help if we can. So if you could, give us a shout here at Senior Allies, 833-801-7999. Thank you.